Well, here we are, day after the incredible blizzard of 26, which even outdoes the blizzard of 1978, I found out. You can see, I put sand on my sister's ramp here, so people won't have any of those horrible slip and fall accidents, which I absolutely cringe. Anyway, I did all this yesterday by myself. You can see the incredible fjord, and the birds are able to get their food thanks to me. Yeah. Also, Penn wanted me to get a shot of this. That's the shed there, covered with snow. Beautiful sky though. Boy, deep blue. Wait till the summertime gets hazy again with the T-storm forecasts. Well, none today, although there was some thunder snow not far to our south, southeast, and east. Okay, so we're going here in the chicken area. You can see the weight of the snow really did a job on the bird netting. Yeah, despite those things I put up. Boy, look at that snow there. I have an avalanche anytime. I never heard about the avalanches out in the west. See, I shoveled all that snow in there in the chicken area. Did it all by myself with my special tools I've been bar-gabbing about on my emails constantly. Imagine everybody else doing the same thing I do. It'll make a whole world of difference. Yeah, it's a winter wonderland. Yeah, wait a few months. Grass will be green again. But not for a while, boy. I made my own man-made thunderheads. I know Tom, Billy, Scott, Jason, Paul agree with me there are thunderheads. Well, there were some with that incredible bombogenesis. I don't mean Phil Collins. I mean the real bombogenesis. Boy, look at those thunderheads, huh? I did all this the last couple of days. Okay. Give me another nice walk. Guy came and talked without my tongue getting in the way. I'll tell you one thing, I email a lot better than I talk. That's for sure. Look at those icicles. Closing the gate, that's why I'm dancing around here. I can't dance. Can't dance. Boy, somebody lived in his house back in 2014. She turns 40 today. This girl named Christiana, born 2/24/86. And of course, she was born a year to the day after I went down to Ixtapa, Mexico. Actually, I know I did on 3/1/77. Yeah, I know what I did that day, too. A little over a month before I went down to Freeport, Bahamas. Let me back up a little bit. You see, there's a hole in the cut there caused by the snow, and there's a pile of snow inside. I can't get to it today. I'm pretty much tired out. I'm ready to sign off. And now I'm going to take my camcorder. I'm going to give you a ride down here. This is where my knees are. And boy, look at this. I'm going through one of those Norwegian fjords. Yeah. I shoveled all this out this morning using my special tools. Yeah. When I get at the firewood, so my good sister Penn will have some firewood to keep her warm. Because we still got more cold weather in the forecast. Well, it won't be as cold as it has been, but it's not beach weather either. As you can see, I got those crates there ready to put firewood in there and take them in. After I take my long nap, I desperately need it. Boy, what a pretty sky. Yeah. Boy, I like it when it's this deep blue. Yeah, boy, look at this. Even that blue jay agrees with me. It's incredible. Boy, these definitely look like thunderheads. My good friend Tom. Actually, his birthday's coming up soon. Yeah. Same age as Christiana I was just talking about. We'll join her. Yeah. Hope he has a nice 40th birthday on March 3rd. My 40th birthday wasn't all that good, as I may have mentioned in my emails. Yeah. My 41st birthday was a little bit better. Yeah, that bird agrees with me. Your birds chirping, and you know it's a winter wonderland here. Boy, I can't believe all this snow. Boy. See, we haven't gone out there yet. The plow guy's supposed to be coming. Yeah. Actually, on this day 30 years ago, we had a clap of thunder in 224.96. One good clap. It was in the morning, too. See those cars. Cars are buried alive in the snow. And boy, Grayson and Jenny next door. Boy, nice shoveling job they did. Yeah. Yeah, well, I guess it gave them something to do instead of sitting at home doing nothing. Yeah, you can see, this is one hell of a winter wonderland. I'll tell you, man, the last time I saw this amount of deep snow, not where I live, either in Fort Washington or here, but it was way back on January 2nd, 1970, when there was 3 feet of snow at Colesville, upstate New York, near Binghamton. It was this much snow, and I had to wait more than 56 years to see this amount of snow, although we've had deep snow before. Back in 61 on February 4th, and February 9, 1969, and February 12, 1983, those days we had more than 20 inches of snow, in fact 25 almost, in 1983. And up here, only twice we had 20 or more inches of snow. That was back on 1/8/96, just over 30 years ago. And it happened again on 1/23/05. I know somebody turned 25 that day. Somebody I met on the internet by the name of Chris Hayes. He was born on 1/23/80. And he's sent me videos of big T-storms from Canton, Ohio, and also Visay, Oklahoma. Yeah, so I got them. I even put them on audio tape. Okay, that's me. Alright, that's all for now. The flower guy might come, and I'll see if I can get another video of that. Right now. Well, let me go inside, come inside, and I'll show you my equipment I use. My snow shovels, my garden hoe. Okay, turn the flicker on. Okay, and also, yeah, pellet stove, ashes from the wood stove, pellets, my other tools, my other snow shovels, and the digging shovel, and buckets of sand. Actually, free at the beach. Rock salt costs money. Rock salt costs money, if I can say it right. Alright, that's a TAFN in this incredible winter wonderland. I know.